Good morning! Early walk kami ni Kyle, mga 7 o'clock. Kasi aga gumising. Hindi na natulog. Ayan oh. Gising pa yan. Pero matutulog na yan kasi parang inaantok. Kanina po 5 o'clock eh. So matutulog na yan. Naglakad-lakad na lang kami. Kasi hindi ko na siya mahawakan. Ang likot. Dito nga pala sa bugi. Marunong ng ano. Yung bang tumalon sa bugi ba yung paano pa yung Tagalog? Nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog kasi wala na akong nakausap ng mga Tagalog na mga friends, puro Bisaya. Uy, umiiyak. Ano kaya yun? Why are you crying? Put your your pacifier. Antok na yan. So well, nakapag-sleeper tayo kasi 25 degree na ba ngayon or 23? So, pero naglagay ako ng fleece jacket. Ayan. Yes. Nak, do like that? Kyle, yeah, it's water park day. Langga, do the dance na be the water park day. What is that, the water park day? Come on. He's doing like water park day.
This is the water park day.
Oh, shit. Kiss mama, B. Huh? Okay. Pipi?
Yeah.
Dumating nga pala yung H&M. Order ito yung kay Kyle. Okay. Ayan, for ate. Na, cake na. This one.
I want to wear that today.
Yeah, we are here. Say hi, anak. So, if you bought already your tickets, punta ka na lang diretso sa Swambad. Ayan, we're going na there. Ate super pink and purple. Yeah. So, vacation house siya mga loves. And pwede tayo doon bakasyon, pero kasi super lapit siya sa amin, 20 minutes lang. So magsi-swimming na lang kami. So first time naman dito. Ate's first time, Dada's first time, and Kyle's first time. Tulog pa si Kyle. Say hi, mommy, daddy.
Hi, mommy and daddy.
Shush, shush, shush. Dami nila, oh. Spilton. So, we're here.
Why we have to walk so far?
Ate, stop complaining. They have golf. They have the playground. Oh, there's the what adventure. It's over there. Oy, bigyan mo. Yeah. Cake na ko. Cake na. There. See? The one in the river, they're gonna push it. Yeah, cake. So, beach of fair. And trampoline. Yeah. Bowling and water paradise. Should be there. Here. They have the pizza. Come on up. Here's the bee. Yeah. Yeah. Cake, ate. Go low pa na. There. They have their shops. Toys. It's so nice because pwedeng iwan yung mga bugis dito. Here. They have a game city. Just go forward na. Just go forward. You're not strapped. Hi, Nemo. So we are out. Ayan o. Yes, na. We are home. Nanguli na mi kay perti na kayong kapuya. Teka lang. Nakatulog mi sa car. And then Kyle is here. And Ate is there. Si Dada bumili ng pizza kasi ayaw ko na magluto. Pagod na ako. Umuwi kami mga 5 o'clock. Kyle is coming. Tignan nyo, oh. Nakakaano na to. Ayan, namong baby. Grabe kainit. Eh, gilabad akong ulo lang. Sarap ang tulog. Mahirap matulog pag may baby. Gising siya. So, mamaya pa yung milk niya. Matulog to. Matulog ako yun kasi kagabi hindi ako nakatulog ng mabuti. So, thank you for watching our vlog. Goodbye.
My guy's always pitching me.
Kyle? Kyle? Do not hurt Ate, Kyle.
Don't slap him. He doesn't understand.
No.